Hello students, welcome to my channel Classmate. Today we will discuss about the subtraction of fraction. So let's start. At first we divide this subtraction in two types, like fraction and unlike fraction. At first we will see this subtraction on like fraction. So at first you just take one example. Under like fraction we take one example, just that 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. That is the first example. So we start from a simple form. Okay, so these two are the like fraction, as for these two have the same denominator. Now what is the step? You just write down this common denominator at first. Okay, then you simply write down 3 minus 1. That means you simply subtract 1 from 3. Simply, as you do this, then we get the answer 2 by 5. Okay, now let's take one more example, that is simple like fraction. That means the proper like fraction, like proper fraction. Now we take this 19 by 9 minus 17 by 9. As you can see, these are also the like fraction, but the numerator, the value of both these fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator, so they are also the improper fraction. So as we know, for the like fraction we have to write down the common denominator at first in the lower portion, then you simply subtract the numerators, so we get 2 by 9. All of you understood this? Then you come to the third example. So that is the first, that is the second. Now come to the third example. We write down here a mixed number minus. Okay, so let's see. In this mixed number, at first the first step is that you have to convert this into the improper fraction. So 3 into 5 15 plus 2 17 by 5 minus 5 into 2 10 minus 11 by 5. So these two mixed number are now converted into the improper fraction. Now you apply the subtraction method for like fraction. So you write down the common denominator at first, then write down 17 minus 11. So we get 6 by 5. Now this is also improper fraction. Now you convert this into the mixed number. So 1 by 5. That is our answer. So in this first session we learn about this simple subtraction of the proper fraction, then improper fraction, then mixed number. All of you just look at this. Okay, now we proceed the unlike fraction, on the operation on unlike fraction. So unlike fractions have the different denominators. So at first we start here, just you see the example, that is 9 by 10 minus 3 by 5. As you can see, these two have the different denominators, so they are also called the unlike fraction. Okay, now what is the first method? At first you take the LCM of 10 and 5, that is the LCM is 10. Now you convert these two fraction into like fraction. In the case of 9 by 10, the denominator is same as the LCM, so nothing to do here. But in case of 3 by 5, we have to convert this, the denominator, into 10. So we have to multiply 5 into 2, we have to multiply 3 also by the same number, that is 2. So it is 6 by 10. Okay, all of you understood? Now you write down this like fraction here. So 9 by 10 minus 6 by 10 equals to, you apply the process, same process for the like fraction, take the common denominator here. Now you write down directly 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6. So we get 3 by 10. That is our answer. 3 by 10. That is our answer. That is one type of unlike fraction, subtraction of one type of unlike fraction. Now you come to the B number. 17 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Okay. 17 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Now in this case, this one is written in improper form. This one is written in improper form. Okay. So here, so at first you have to take the LCM of 4 and 8, that is 8. Okay. Now you have to convert this fraction into the like fraction. So you have to multiply the denominator and the numerator by the same number. So it is converted now 34 by 8. 34 by 8. And as in the fraction 3 by 8 have the denominator 8, which is same of the LCM, so nothing to do here. 3 by 8. Now you write down the value for the like fraction. 34 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So you write down this 8 as the denominator, then 34 minus 3. So you get 31 by 8. It also written in improper form. So we have to convert this in mixed number. 31 divided by 8. 3, 7 by 8. 3 as a whole, 7 by 8. Okay, just to look, 3 into 8, 24 plus 7, 31. So all of you understood this. At first nothing to do here. In the improper form, whatever it is given, at first you take the LCM of both the denominator, then you convert the unlike fraction into the like fraction. Okay, then you subtract by applying the method of subtraction of like fraction. Okay, now we will take a mixed number. C number. I hope all of you enjoy this class. 3 as a whole, 4 by 5 minus 2, 1 by 10. Okay. So in this case, these two fractions are written in a mixed number form. So at first, here the first step is to convert this mixed number into improper fraction at first, and you know very well how to convert this. 3 into 5, 15 plus 4, 19. So 19 by 5 minus 2 into 10, 20 plus 1, 21 by 10. Okay, so that is the first step. At first you have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Then you take the LCM, because now we have to convert this unlike fraction into like fraction. So LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. Now you convert these two fraction into like fraction. 19 into and 5 into equals to 10. So you have to multiply 5 by 2, here also 19 by 2, 38 by 10. And 21 by 10, nothing to do here, as 21 by 10 this fraction have the same denominator as the LCM, so nothing to do in this case. Now you write down these two like fraction. 38 by 10 minus 21 by 10. Then you write down this 10 as the common denominator. Then 38 minus 21. So we get 17 by 10. 17 by 10. Now that is also in the form of improper fraction. So you have to convert this 1 as a whole, 17 by 10. That is our answer. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this properly. And now we have to apply the shortcut method. Okay. How we convert this directly. Whatever I have shown this method also in case of addition. So let's see. In this fraction we have to apply this in this fraction. Okay. How we subtract these two? By another method. So what to do? At first you take the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Then you write down this 10 here as the denominator. Now what to do here? 19 into 10 divided by 5. 10 is the LCM and 5 is the denominator of the first fraction. Okay. Minus 21 multiplied by 10 divided by 10. Okay. So here the 19, the numerator of the first fraction, multiplied by 10, that is the LCM divided by the denominator. Here also we have done the same thing, 21 multiplied by the LCM divided by the denominator of this fraction. So we get here 19 into 2 minus 21 into 1. Okay. By 10. So we get here 38 minus 21 by 10. And we get the same answer, 17 by 10, which we can write 1 as a whole, 7 by 10. Okay. So in this way we also solve this math. In this two method, you can solve in any one method. Okay. Nothing is incorrect. Both these are correct method. So as which one is comfortable, more comfortable for you, you have to apply this. Okay. I hope all of you enjoy this. Okay, all of you. Bye.